Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be starting a new vlog because my friend Rechell, if you guys remember her from any previous vlogs for basically the last year, she was the other girl singer on my cruise ship, but she just flew in today from Florida. She was actually in New Orleans for Essence Fest and then flew into Oklahoma for the week. So we have lots of fun adventures planned for the week. So I'm gonna vlog her stay here. Where is she? Let's find her. I'm in my beauty room right now. Rechell, where are you?
Right here.
You want to say hey first
hey
of all?
Y'all.
Okay, come back. Actually, come into the beauty room. The lighting in here is not very good. I can't see you. Okay, come in here. Tell the people your story. So my brother is a dentist. For those of y'all that don't know that, little known fact, my brother is a dentist. So Rechell knew that she wanted to schedule with him while she was here to get her teeth cleaned, right?
Right.
So tell the story.
So I go get my teeth cleaned and find out I need to have 2 fillings. Cool. So 2 fillings on the top. So I was like, oh, let's get them done. So they decide to numb both sides of my face, my mouth at the same time. I recommend do not do that.
Especially if you're not experienced. You haven't had a filling since you were like a baby. Don't do that.
The last filling I had probably was like 6 or 7. But anyways, I hope I can talk correctly because I'm still pretty numb. But it literally felt like someone was squeezing my throat and I couldn't feel anything to know if I was swallowing, if I was breathing or anything. So I literally had like a coughing spell. Now I'm thinking to myself, how could you possibly take your black self into this good old white establishment in Oklahoma City and cut a fool? That's what I did. Mama, I'm embarrassed for you, and I'm embarrassed for myself. But you know what? I'm not really embarrassed, because that's life. And I'm pretty sure they do a million people.
But what's the moral of the story? She did not
get the procedure
She
done.
did not have fillings today.
I have to go back and get one at a time.
So we're going back tomorrow for one on one side of the mouth, and then we have to go back the next day to do the other side of the mouth, because this diva over here says, I can't breathe, I gotta go one at a time, I can't swallow, I will cough, I can't do it. Needless to say, my brother's a nice guy and just laughed about it. I said, he's seen worse. You know he's seen worse.
He's seen worse.
I said, but I was in the waiting room.
Well, listen, the kicker is, they were like, raise your hand above your head, because that's what the kids do. The kids?
I am grown.
Oh my gosh.
It was funny though. I was in the waiting room, and there's no, like, they don't close the door between the waiting room.
I could see when I turned. I was, oh, she's right there.
And I could hear this person coughing, and I didn't know it was Rechell. But I could hear this person coughing because there was obviously a few people in the office at different procedure rooms. Sliding. There we go. It's better. But I could hear someone coughing. And I just put my phone down because I was, scrolling on my Facebook or whatever. And I just put my phone down and was like, that's Rechell. I know that's Rechell.
Coughing like I'm dying.
It was actually hilarious. And we're going back to the dental office tomorrow.
Yeah.
So now you're just going to go back and enjoy your milkshake.
I am.
We literally, from Brahms. If y'all aren't from Oklahoma, you are missing out on Brahms. It is like a local dairy, and it is so good. But we basically did treat her like a child and picked her up a congratulatory milkshake for doing nothing on the way home. You're numb.
I got a participation.
Yeah, you literally got a participation milkshake. So she's going to go eat that, and we're just going to go sit on the couch for now. This lighting is excellent. We are doing a photo shoot for our guest entertainer show that Rechell and I created. It's called Dueling Divas, and we sing together, and your girl is getting her pictures done by the extraordinary Brandon Burton. If you're in the Oklahoma City area, book him for all of your photo needs. Wait, it's not.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. That's a great. You look good, girl. Yeah, so we're taking pictures. We just finished a long photo shoot, and yeah, just checking out our photos. So today has been I can't talk. Today has been a busy day. Working on my best angles here. And we did our photo shoot, which you guys would have seen. And then I forgot to take my camera in. And then Rechell and I went to get Thai food. And that was freaking delicious. Did you like your Thai food?
Yes.
She had pad Thai. I had green curry because I always get green curry. And then Rechell did round 2 today of dental work. I'm going to go find her so she can tell you guys how it went. Rechell, tell the people how about your dental work. Your dress has caught the cabinet. Tell them about your dental work. Ooh, you smell good.
It's good. You always say that when I wear this.
It smells good. What is
Hypnotic Poison Girl.
Hypnotic. Is that Dior?
Yeah, Dior. Poison Girl.
Poison Girl. It smells good. Anyways, talk about your dental work. How'd you do today?
Very well. I'm still a little bit lopsided here, a little swollen, but today I did it like a pro, how it's supposed to be done.
So you were actually able to get your cavity filled, is what you're saying?
Yes.
But what do we have to do? Go back tomorrow. She's still not a big enough girl to do it all at once. She had to do half her mouth today and half her mouth tomorrow.
Yeah, so I still look like I have no palsy.
So I will get to go to my brother's dental practice 3 days in a row. That's thrilling, you know, going from like basically never going to going 3 days in a row. But tonight we're going to girls' night. And the feeling's right. Oh yes, it's ladies' night. Oh what a night. Yeah, but we're going to, if you're in the Oklahoma City area, we're going to Republic, the one at Chisholm Creek. And then we will head to Sidecar after that because Sidecar does live music on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and tonight is Wednesday. So we're going to go do that and have a good old time and probably have some beverages and some food and some laughter. It's me, Rechell, my friend Franny, my sister-in-law, Kaylin, and my other friend, Maggie. So I'm really looking forward to it. I just got my outfit on. Super cute little toppy from Dillard's. Let me actually just turn it this way. You can see my vanity. Can you even see? There's my dog. Abel, you want to make an appearance on the vlog? We always talk about you, but you're never actually in anything. So there she is. She likes to get her makeup done too. But yeah, so I just have on this cute top. It's really bright. Sorry, guys. And then these jean shorts. These are Old Navy. And then I have on my Tory Burch Miller sandals and some cute little tassel-y earrings that my friend Kelly gave me. I literally think these are from Walmart and they're so cute. But yeah, we're gonna go to girls' night. So we will see you guys. So we're at Republic. It's really loud. I don't even know if you can hear me. But it's girls' night. I'm gonna turn this around. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. That's my sister-in-law. Hi. That's my friend Franny. That's my friend Maggie. And that's Rechell. You already know her. But we just got testers. Rechell and I are trying this out. Did you try yours yet? So I got like a sour beer, and you got some sort of like blueberry beer. You want to try it together? Okay. Is this the same or different? Right. Different. Mine's a sour. It's pretty good. I wish it was colder. I don't like that. It's not that.
That's good. What's this one?
Yours almost tastes more sour than the sour. Yeah, mine's like warm.
The only way that they kind of taste the same.
They do kind of taste similar. Yours isn't supposed to be a sour though. Well, now I'm confused because they both taste sour. So
I think you messed it up. They're the same. I'm pretty sure. Are they the same color?
well, he was bringing them over, and I was like, I feel like those are the same.
Lies.
They're both sour. They're both good. See, I just don't think I'd want a whole drink of this. Like a whole, you know what I mean?
You got your fill.
Yeah. It's good though, but I don't think I'd want a whole one. So now we're at a bar. We're on the rooftop. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me, but it's really fun. We're overlooking Top Golf. So there's Top Golf. There's a live band playing. The girls are having a drink. We got some cocktails. We're having a glorious night. And for the record, it's Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. And my hair got pulled up because it's really hot outside. It's like 90 degrees in Oklahoma and it's like 9:30 at night. But we're having a great time for whatever that's worth. It's the day after ladies' night, and well, I had to take Rechell for some more dental work today because, as you guys know, the saga truly continues, and you know she's a little weenie baby and can't get it done in one day, but she's finished. You did that. Woo! So we're sitting on the couch now. We just finished at the dentist's office, and I took her to pick up some McAllister's. If you're not from Oklahoma, well, I think McAllister's is everywhere. You said it's in Florida, maybe, but anyway, she doesn't have one, so we picked up some sandwiches. We're watching probably the trashiest show on television, Floribama Shore. It's like Jersey Shore, but set in Florida and Alabama. It's in Panama City, but it's basically all these country folk. Yeah, and we're watching that, and I'm eating a sandwich from McAllister's, and basically just recovering from a late night out. We've had a couple of late nights in a row. We're about to go lay by the pool. And then tonight we're going to see Hello Dolly at the Civic Center. Can't wait. It's going to be another jam-packed day full of adventures. So we have made it out to my in-laws' house. There's literally a cat staring at me. That's Cleo, and then, oh, that's Cleo and Abel. Abel's my dog, and Cleo's my in-law's new kitten. And they've recently become acquainted with each other. Abel, is she your friend? But Cleo obviously is a kitten and loves to antagonize Abel. Okay, this is really freaking sweet. Oh my God, I'm capturing the sweetest moment. But we're out at the pool. There's the lovely, lovely pool. And we have Franny out there fixing her towel, looking good, looking good. And then Rechell has now made her way over here to the shade on her cell phone. They don't really realize I'm filming them. They're on the vlog. They're on the vlog. Did I go back out to the pool? Had to come, basically only had to come in to refill my water. Abel, you want to go back outside? She thinks she wants to go back out. I'm looking for the lens to my camera. Oh, there it is. Looking for my lens so I can close this off once I get out there. Let's go outside. Rechell, Allie.
Hi.
Living your best life?
Living my best
Like the queen that you think you are? In the shade. Franny, you're literally glowing. You look like out of Twilight, like you're glistening.
Out of Twilight.
You know how they like, when they hit the sun, they like glitter or glisten? It's because you...
talking about the movie?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You've never seen... Okay. Well, the vampires, they glow in the sun. They glisten when the sunlight hits them. But... Yeah, I don't really remember. But they glisten. But...
Danielle, remember when we went to see Casey Musgraves and we realized how old we are?
Yeah, we did that. Casey Musgraves, y'all don't know who that is. She's a country singer. And we went to her... I guess it was when you were pregnant, so was that 2.5 years ago?
Yeah, I was just telling her that that's why we didn't have a good time because I was super lame and I'm the fun one.
Franny likes to think she's a fun friend. She went to a Casey Musgrave concert 2.5 years ago when she was really pregnant, and so we like ended up leaving early. We were also like the oldest people there by
10
years. Because
I am the fun one.
I'm fun too.
I'm consistently fun.
She's watching her words because she knows she's on camera right now.
I'm always the time.
It's true. We also call when we have a little too much fun getting frannied. So that tells you that
My name is a verb.
her name is a verb. We just went through Starbucks because Rechell wanted to get a mocha and some caffeination in her system because we're going to see a show and go to dinner first, and we just finished at the pool and we're at the drive-thru of Starbucks, and the guy at the window looks like out the window at me and goes, that's an interesting outfit. Mind you, I'm literally wearing the towel from the pool. And I was like, I looked at him and I said, it's a towel. And he goes, oh, well, I was gonna ask if that was a towel, but I didn't want to say anything. And I wanted to be like, dude, you think saying, that's an interesting outfit is any better than asking if I'm wearing a towel? Like, I think not. Was that bizarre? It was so weird. He was strange and awkward, and I was just like, I don't know. And then the rest of everything going on for the rest of the transaction was super awkward. He was like, have a nice day. And I want to be like, don't comment on people's outfits in the drive-thru. It's inappropriate, and you never know when you're going to hurt someone's feelings, because luckily for him, it was just a beach towel. But what if I was wearing a hot pink leopard sarong outfit toga thing? Maybe I'm into that sort of thing. You can't comment on that. You might hurt people's feelings. So I can't even tell if you can see me right now, but we finished at the pool today. You guys got to hear my lovely Starbucks story. And now I'm walking towards the Civic Center because we are going to see Hello Dolly tonight. I dropped Rechell off already at the door because she had on heels and I'm wearing sandals. And I park kind of far away because I know, it's really sad actually, but the jail is like pretty close to the Civic Center, and it's free public parking there, and all the other parking around the Civic Center is like $10 a car. So I am a nice friend and dropped her off, but we're gonna go head in. I might try to sneak some shots of Hello Dolly. I'm not sure if I can, but if I'm able to, I will get you guys a little, I don't know, I was gonna say behind the scenes action, but that's not actually true. But anyways, we will hopefully get to take you guys inside, and if not, I will see y'all after. Hello Dolly.
Hello Dolly.
Yeah, this is the Civic Center. Is your mom going to the bathroom?
My mom's going potty.
Justin's mom's going to the bathroom. You wanna like flip it around and show the world who you are?
Hi, people. Can you see me?
Yeah, you're good.
I'm a vlogger.
So this is the Civic Center in Oklahoma City. So we're about to show the people how beautiful it is here. It's massive. It's like the biggest. So this is like where all the national tours and all the Broadway tours and stuff come through Oklahoma City. But we're about to be celebrities and take a picture in front of the curtain. So yeah, we'll come back at intermission and tell you what we think of the first act. How about that? How about that? How about that? That's the 5-minute sound. I'm gonna murder you. You're on the vlog. Oh, you're famous. Hello. I was saying, you know what I said? Your costume makes me think of the cheapest Halloween version of Belle, like of all time. It's like ordered off at Amazon, like straight
Belle tour dress right there.
Is that a bird on your head?
It is. Her name is Agatha. Aggie for sure.
You would name your bird on your head.
She's precious. She's 8 pounds.
You were fabulous.
Thank you.
You were so good.
Are you filming?
Yeah, you're gonna be on the vlog. Congratulations.
I'm gonna be on the vlog?
You're gonna be on the vlog.
Hello, everyone.
This is Bailey. She was just Ernestine. Is that your name?
Ernestina.
I thought the A was silent. I'm sorry.
Ernestina.
I misunderstood. You were so good. Congratulations.